Hello everybody. I'm getting a little sunshine out here on the porch. The sun is shining. It is very cold. It's been very cold and like frosty everywhere for the last several days. Oh, we got a stalker again. Been very frosty the last several days, but at least the sun has been shining, so that has been nice. All right, it is grocery shopping day today. My voice is almost back to normal. It's still like right on the edge, like it gets tired quickly, but I'm so close to better. At least you can understand me at this point, so we're calling that a win. So I am running to the store. I'm going to pick up our milk for the week. Renee is coming with me. She is working on a Christmas present for her best friend in all the world, which includes some photos of them together. And so we're going to Walgreens to pick those up. I haven't picked up photos at Walgreens in quite some time, but she needed them printed. So we are going to run and do that. We're probably going to go to Meyer and to Safeway. At Safeway, I have a $10 reward coupon. They had this thing through November, and again through December, they have one where if you spend a certain amount through the entire month, you get a certain amount of reward points. I have Freddie here at my feet begging for attention. Freddie is the cat, by the way. So I have $10 of rewards from spending, I think it was $225 at Safeway through the month of November. That was easy to do. I usually spend that amount anyway, so no big deal. So I have a $10 off coupon there, and then I also have a $10 off $50 purchase coupon, which I do believe you can stack both of those. So I'm going to get up to that $50 and hopefully get $20 off there, and there are some good deals. And then at Meyer, there were just a couple of deals that I wanted to take advantage of, and then I had a stack of coupons that they sent me. They're always sending me the stack of coupons, and it always includes one free package of sliced cheese, so of course I'm going to pick up that and anything else that looks like it might be a good deal. So we are headed out to do that, and we will bring you along, and Freddie wants to say hi.
Well, hello, Freddie. Hi. Are you enjoying the sunshine too? Oh, yeah, I know you are. I know.
Got to give a shout out to Element for sponsoring the video today. Element is my electrolyte supplement of choice. I love it because of how it makes me feel. It helps me stay hydrated, but I also love it because it tastes really delicious and I don't have to put any effort into remembering to take my electrolytes. I have been taking them consistently for more than 2 years now, I think, and I don't have to, force myself to do it like a lot of other healthy habits because they taste so delicious. I love all of their fruity flavors that are very refreshing. I drink those throughout the day, and then of course during the winter time, I am loving their chocolate flavors. They have 5 different chocolate options right now, just the chocolate salt, the chocolate caramel. Those two are available year round. And then also right now they have the chocolate medley pack that has chocolate mint, chocolate chai, and chocolate raspberry. So all of your chocolatey needs are met there, and you can get the benefits of hydration while drinking something deliciously chocolatey, perfect for adding to hot chocolate or adding to coffee or tea, or you can just have the chocolate electrolytes in hot water and just drink it like that. So Element has a special deal for all of my viewers. If you want to try a free sample pack that includes 8 of their regular flavors, like 1 stick of each flavor, you can just go to my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click that link, place an order from their website for anything, and you will automatically have that free sample pack added. Thanks so much to Element for sponsoring the video today, and now we are going to head out shopping. First stop is Walgreens to get the photos. Are they just what you needed?
Yes.
Oh, good. You guys are so cute. Next stop is Meyer. Just a couple things here, including our coupons. I have a couple different coupons for the chocolate chips, and we need these for making truffles here pretty soon. So we're gonna go ahead and get those. And then we gotta go find our free cheese. And then there was some yogurt that was on sale. I think I can get 2 for really cheap. Oh, we can use this up to 5 times, not just 2. do that. Never say no to free cheese. We will do Gouda. I think the last thing we need is a bag of apples. Fuji Gala. Looks like they're out of Honeycrisp. Pink Lady? Alright, that one's kind of bruised. Let's see. Oh, that one's kind of bruised too. Maybe this one. That's the best looking. Alright. I think that's it. Here is our small Fred Meyer haul. I got 5 of the yogurts because that was the limit on those. $1.99 a piece is really good for Greek yogurt, and Levi loves the lemon yogurt. I don't get it very often anymore, but for $1.99 a piece, I was like, we'll go ahead and do it. We got our free Gouda cheese. I got 7 of the milk chocolate chocolate chips. We already have a bunch of the semi-sweet that I was able to get at Costco for a good price per pound, but you also need milk chocolate for the truffles we make. So I got 7 of these because I had a coupon for $5 off 5, and then another coupon for I think it was $1 off 2. So I went ahead and got 7 and then got that $6 off on there. So that was a pretty good deal. And they were already on sale for $3.99 a piece. So made it like $2.99 or so a piece. And then we got our bag of apples, and that is it. And we realized as we were walking out that we forgot to grab our receipt. On our way out, they gave us more coupons. They actually gave us another $5 off 5 chocolate chip coupon. And so if we do end up needing to run to the store and get more chocolate chips for truffle making, we have that coupon to use. But we grabbed those and then forgot to grab the receipt. But I remember it was $38 and some cents for all of this. Next stop is Safeway. Should be another pretty quick trip. We can get a couple of mangoes for 39 cents a piece. Oh, they don't look that great. And that one's fine. They're pretty teeny tiny, but they're only 39 cents a piece. That one's fine. And we'll get a couple of avocados. Gotta get a few bananas, although we do have a few at home still. Cantaloupes are on sale for 2 for $5, so we'll take advantage of that. I think 2 will be plenty. I'm taking a salad to a get-together tomorrow, actually, and I need a couple of things for that. I need some romaine lettuce and some tomatoes, so we're gonna grab that. We'll do those, and then we'll do romaine hearts. Gonna get a few half and halves for making Electrolyte yogurt. Probably not. The ones they have on display up top, they usually aren't real. Pretty quick in and out. I think we got well above our $50 mark. Hopefully we'll get both of those $10 off coupons and we'll be good to go.
If you have your cup card, please scan it now. If you have your cup card, please scan it now.
Here is my haul from Safeway. This was the biggest expense. They're not on sale. They don't go on sale often, but it's still a good price for organic half and half. And this is what I use for my SIBO yogurt, Electrolyte yogurt. I have lots of videos on that. So decided to stock up on that because I wanted to get up to my $50. And there wasn't a lot of other stuff that I needed, so I decided to just go ahead and stock up on that. And these have a really long date usually. Let's see, what was this one? Best if used by 6/11/25. So as long as you keep them refrigerated, they last for a very long time. I needed a little bit of bacon because we were taking bacon wrapped dates to our get together tomorrow also, and I'm not going to make it over to Costco to get the bacon I usually get for that, so I decided to pick these up. They were on sale for $2.99 a piece, so that wasn't too bad. I got my tomatoes for the salad I'm making, got bananas as always. In here I have a couple of mangoes, a couple of avocados, and then we got our 2 cantaloupes and our romaine for the salad. I'm doing like a Olive Garden copycat salad minus the croutons, so that'll be good. I already have red onion at home, and I got some pepperoncinis, and so we should be good to go on that for our salad. And that is it from Safeway. So a couple of pretty small hauls this time. That's just all we happen to need. So the total I spent was $47.49. I got my $10 off the $50 purchase, and I got my $10 rewards off, so that was a really great deal. And nearly everything else was on sale. Only thing that wasn't was the half and half. So now we are going to go pick up our milk, and we will be good for the week.